Rochelle from West Coast Rewards again, and we are on to day 4 of our Canva training. So today we're just going to get straight into it since you guys are pros already. So here we go. Today we are going to be making a story graphic. So Instagram and Facebook stories are all the rage at the moment. So on Canva you can create graphics that you can use on your stories. So I'm just scrolling along here to see if I can find it. Nope, so let's go create a design. And we will find so this is a social media one. So here we go, Instagram story right here, and we've got Facebook story. So we'll just click onto Facebook story. You could use the same image for both, so it will be fine. Each different section's probably got different templates, so you can pop in and have a look around and see what you would like to create. So here we go. Here are all our templates loading up. So we've got quotes. So the review that we did yesterday, you could turn into a graphic, a story graphic if you wanted to. Sales, animals, minimalistic, summer, travel, and then we've got all our results down here. So we'll just scroll down and see what tickles our fancy today. So lots of fun. You can pretty much make anything on Canva, and so whatever you're thinking of, there will be a template for it, or you can start with a template and by the time you're finished it'll look completely different, but all the parts are kind of where you need them, which is really cool. So what are we doing? We're doing a coffee cart. I kind of like this one here. This one's super simple. So it's obviously just you're gonna put one of your lovely photos here of your coffee. So let's change that background to that pale grey that we've been using, and let's just put, so we're going to remove the image. So we want to delete the element, and we are going to go to our uploads and find one of our beautiful photos. We're a bit limited. You obviously, with your own business, you can have lots of photos to choose from. So, and I think we'll need to resize this to fit into the little box, which is a little bit fiddly, but it can be done easy. So just keep pull that down a little bit, and that's close enough. And the little pink line tells us that it's centered. So there you go, there's a really simple one. We could probably put our coffee cart logo on the bottom there, would look really cool. So just go like that, and we have logoed it. We've branded it. It's got your branding on there. So that is ready to go. That's a really simple, basic story image that would make somebody look at that and go, oh my goodness, their coffee looks amazing. I have to go and get one. So let's start it. So if I click this, it says add a new page. That's going to give us a new blank. So if we do the one up here, this copy. So if we wanted to make another one of that, which we can, we just click copy, and then we put another photo in there and leave our logo where it is because that looks great. If we click add a new page, it's going to give us another blank. So we can just get rid of that grey, that's fine, like that. So we've got a nice white, and we can go back to our templates, which is up the top here. So it's back to where we were scrolling before, and we will look through and see if we can find another template that we want to use. I just want to show you as much as possible so that you can feel confident to have a go at creating these kind of things for yourself, which makes it so much easier. You're not sitting around going, oh, I don't know what to do. So here's another one, super simple. Let's change the background to our pale grey. There it is, and we're going to change the image. So So we're going to delete that image and we're going to put go back to our uploads and put one of our images on there. So it might be me, and this is me serving my coffee at the coffee cart. And so we're going to change these white stripes to orange because that's our branded colour. So just give me 1 second while I type that code in again. So it's EA620E. To find the code, once you've got the colour you want, if you press the plus, so this is the colour we want, this is our branded colour, press the plus, there it is there. So you can copy and paste it if you want to instead of typing it in each time. And that's always going to give you your branded colour. So let's change the stripe up here to the orange, and let's change the text to the orange as well. And we are going to say, on here we're going to say, let's say, see you at ... and then we could put our logo, the coffee cart. So that would be quite cute. First, I just want to ungroup this text because there's another row of text down the bottom, so we're going to ungroup it, and then I can click on that and delete it, and then go to our, so we'll use this one, see you at the coffee cart. Get it centered, there it is. You might want to move that text up a little bit, maybe make that a little bit smaller, and it's kind of a little bit all orange at this point. Sorry, I'm just trying to get that centered. I might make that text there black. See you at the coffee cart. So there you go, there's another one. As you can see, there are so many templates. You might have a new product that you want to put on there. You might want to put a photo of the cakes that you serve, all that kind of thing. But yeah, so you can make stories in Canva as well and use them in your social media and in your stories to show people what's happening. So then we will put up here coffee cart story graphic, and we will download them again as PNGs one at a time, and then they'll be saved to your computer. I don't know if I've mentioned so far already, there's also an app for Canva, so you can use Canva on your mobile phone. I have done it lots. I find it's a lot easier using it on the computer. It's a lot easier to get everything where you need it to be. But if you're doing a really basic, using a template and just changing a couple of things, really easy to use on Canva. Or if you've already got something like this, but you just need to add a different photos, super easy. So there you go, another Canva training. So it's going to be day 5 tomorrow. It's going to be the last one, which is a little bit sad. We might have to do this another time. But tomorrow we're going to design a flyer for your business. So so at the end of this week, you've created a cover photo, social media graphics, you've done testimonials and reviews, you're putting Canva images in your story, and we're going to create a flyer. So I hope this has been really helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Okay, bye.